Alright, we're on Route 122. We're gonna go ahead into Phillipsburg and then into Easton to get to 22. We're entering into the borough of Alpha. Oh, gas here is pretty expensive, $4.19. Alright. Alright, at that light we're gonna make a left turn on the 122. Okay, I think around here we entered into, Phillipsburg. I-78 was planned to go into Phillipsburg via the 22 route, which is the Lehigh Valley Thruway, but the people of Phillipsburg revolted, and that's why we don't have, we have I-78 rerouted to the south, to its current route. And look at that railroad viaduct. This is my second time coming here, so I remember seeing this for the first time and I was impressed. Okay. 25 miles an hour is the speed limit. Navigate through these sharp curves. Okay. Alright, that's the end of Route 122. Now we're on South Main Street. See some historic buildings here. There's another viaduct. I think that's the same railroad line. Just passed. They have an advertisement for Mr. Rogers on the left. I think I saw this on the last time I was here in September. So they still have it. I don't think they changed it. It's gonna be red. Yeah. Yep, okay. Oh, nice church on the left. The St. Philip and St. James School is right on the left of me. Can't really see it on this camera, but the building on the diagonal left has some nice stained glass windows. Glad that it got brighter, so not that much rain now. The community health center. Now we're getting more into the business district where they have even metered parking here. There's a park over here. I wonder what's all these shirts for. There's a cannon, there's a monument.
Whoa, cannon.
The Phillipsburg Railroad Historical Museum, that's what the parking lot's for. So that means we're going to be crossing that historic bridge coming up right here, which is the Phillipsburg train station. You can see some of it on the right. And the real attraction, I think the house is on the left, right here. Yeah.
Ooh. Okay.
The house on the diagonal right has these interesting braces. Not sure if it looks like people or crosses. Funny looking design. See some of the cherry blossoms here. It's that time of the year. Alright, that big bridge over there is the US 22 Easton Phillipsburg toll bridge. The toll is only charged in the westbound direction, and it is $2 with Easy Pass. There's an old train right there on the left, right across the street. We're going to be taking the free Northampton Street Bridge. So we're going to make a left turn right here. We got a green arrow. Let's go. This is a historic bridge that was completed and opened in 1896. And we're crossing into Easton, Pennsylvania. No toll on this bridge. Welcome to Pennsylvania, the older style street signs, and we're on Northampton Street. That crane is blocking it, but a major attraction here is called the Crayola Experience. I'm pretty sure they have some interesting art activities meant for all ages, but I think it's mainly meant for kids' attraction. There's I think that's the Soldiers Monument. We go across the circle. Unfortunately, I want to go straight, but it's a one-way heading in the opposite direction. But straight ahead over there is called the Easton Public Market. Kind of is like the Reading Terminal Market in Philadelphia, which is the oldest one, but the Easton one, I don't know which year that was open. I saw pictures inside, and it looks pretty much the same. We see up ahead on that hill, that is actually a college, Lafayette College. So we're going to be taking Route 22 west towards Harrisburg, which is our destination. So we got to go straight, and we make a left turn on Snyder Street. There's a good view of the college from here, climbing on those mountains, the stairs. Lafayette College, Williams and Arts Campus. Alright, I can clear this. And a lot of people merge here because I think they want to avoid the toll too. So, nothing wrong with that. Stop here. Okay. Gotta be careful about this merge. You just have a stop sign. People are moving fast. Let's wait for it to clear. Alright, I can make this. Alright. Let's go. Okay. So this curve is kind of like a dead man's curve. We're going around the Easton Cemetery. We have entered the Lehigh Valley Thruway. This whole county encompasses Allentown, as well as the city of Bethlehem. Gotta be careful. I'm glad at least there's a shoulder here. It's not like harder curves or areas like the Jackie Robinson Parkway in Queens. That's a little more tricky. So this road is not built to interstate standards, but it is a freeway. We'll take 22 to meet up with 78, and then we'll get to 78 on its end, meet up with I-81, and then we'll get to Harrisburg from there. Some of the rain's picking up. This road only has 2 lanes. Really isn't much seated here, so I guess we'll cut it here.